Hey, I'm John from theartofconcrete.ca. In this video, I'm sealing this stamped concrete patio. A couple of really important tips when you're sealing concrete, especially stamped concrete. So the first tip I'm going to give you is that concrete, especially a new slab, should be pressure washed very well. The stamp powder that's on there should pretty much almost be pressure washed off. You shouldn't be able to get any more off. The remaining stamp color, the release powder, is left on the surface, and that's permanently stained in. Now, if that powder is anywhere on there and you go ahead and seal that on there, that release powder is going to be a break barrier between the sealer and the concrete. So there's that powder in between. You don't want that. The most important thing is to get that powder off, then seal it. So a lot of the time you'll see stamped concrete and it's got this almost like flaking effect where the powder's coming off and it's flaking off. That's why that powder was not pressure washed off correctly. So whoever did that did not wash the powder off correctly. So this is very important because it's going to give stamped concrete a bad name. And if you're not doing it right, don't even do it at all. Okay, so another tip that I want to give you is wearing rubber boots and also respirator or some sort of N95. Good sealers cost a lot of money and they do a very good job at sealing the concrete. Don't go to Home Depot or Lowe's or Home Hardware. These places don't sell the specific products for doing this kind of work. The difference is your quality. A specialty store like National Concrete Supplies, Foreman Build, Trombetta Supplies, Vieira Concrete Supply, and I'm not sure what else is in the United States or else in the world, but please leave a comment. I would like to know where you guys get quality sealer. So this patio is called a Sierra Stone stamped concrete, otherwise known as old granite, and we basically used a stone gray stamped color release on this, and we stamped it in at a day that was about 25 degrees. We used a concrete pump to go over top of the house and to do the front sidewalk, the sidewalk down the side of the house, and the steps as well. So as you could see in the video, I started on the edges. I went all the way around the exterior area, then I filled it in. Now I kind of move the wand in a circular fashion and just keep pumping it, keeping the pressure up as I'm doing it. Try to do something like this early in the morning before 11 a.m. is ideal. Do not seal concrete when it's hot out, and also take a look at the recommendations on the sealer yourself. To make sure that you're following the guidelines for your local area. The sealer that I'm using is a diamond clear Euclid sealer with a shark grip additive. So it's almost like a fluffy, sandy powder that gets mixed into the sealer so you can actually spray an anti-slip sealer on top of the concrete. So once this thing's done, it's going to basically like a sandpaper finish but have a high gloss look to it. That's kind of what I would recommend. Always add some anti-slip into it. Now there are products you can buy where you can add in a little bit of color to the sealer. It's not permanent. I don't recommend it. I'd use something like Easy Teak where you can go ahead and stain the dry concrete before you seal it, which is a fantastic product. I'll leave a link up above for you guys to check the video I did about that. And thanks guys for watching. I really appreciate it. If there's any recommendations or videos that you want to see, please let me know. And also if you're in the Kitchener, Waterloo, Cambridge, and Guelph area in Canada, I'd be happy to help you out with giving you a quote on a concrete driveway, patio, or sidewalk. So check out my website. Join my newsletter, please. I'd really appreciate it. It's at theartofconcrete.ca. Thank you for watching. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notifications button, and have yourself a great day.